Well, we made it to another farm.
Indian Ladder.
Indian Ladder. It is
some donuts after.
It is. It's got baby animals. Farm. We call it the donut farm. They make cider donuts, but they also have baby animals every spring. So
baby animals.
It snowed yesterday, and we're gonna go do a spring activity to make us feel like it's springtime, even though it's 30 degrees outside, and we're wearing winter coats and hats. So join us on an adventure to see some baby animals. But baby animals is always fun, right?
Yeah. Baby animals,
yeah.
It is a brisk 34 degrees outside right now. Not spring weather. But we're doing spring activities. We're going to a farm to see some baby animals. Here we go. Should be fun.
It's a baby lamb.
It's a baby. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing.
I know. Don't look like babies. They look like bunnies. Dad, those ones look like bunnies. They look like bunnies.
It spoke to me.
Are these goats?
I think so.
Hey! You eating?
Look, they're huddling for warmth. Oh, well, he fell over. This one's got a jacket on. Look at this thing.
They just go in there and huddle and then up.
What do we got here? Baby chicks? Chickies. Chicks.
They're little chirping.
Just eyed me.
Look at them.
Wow. Lauren, you want to help them? Lauren is great with the bunny. He is a goat. He was born on St. Patrick's Day. He was the smallest of his litter, so he was brought in the house right when he was a baby and was pretty much raised by humans. So he thinks he's a puppy and just loves to be held.
Oh, look at this little guy.
Can you pet him?
Yeah, of course. You just pet him right on the back of his head.
He's soft.
Isn't he soft?
He's cute too. He's so cute.
Yeah, he's like a little purse goat.
He's like a little cat.
Yeah, right?
Like a little cat dog.
Yep. He definitely does not think he's a goat.
Yeah.
More goats.
It's just like all the light for myself.
Like
It's
all
on
the
me.
light. All the light.
You guys have no idea it's like 35 degrees outside.
Wow, Ellie, I used to need to stand on these hay bales to see. I'm way too big.
Nice spring weather. Everyone's like bundled up. Like 20 layers.
No, it was so warm. The other day it's been out.
It's crazy.
Bunny.
Nice and soft.
Oh,
Need a bunny. Like as soft as.
So soft.
this thing.
Mom, it's the colors of Lily and as soft as Ray. Well, of Lily.
Oh my gosh, look at its little bunny face.
That's so cute.
It's so adorable.
Well done.
Look at this thing.
Mom, it's got the exact.
How old is it?
About 2 months.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it's really
And then their
young.
mom's in there and she's huge.
Oh my gosh, that's a fat one.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Yes. It looks like our cat. Our cat
It does.
is literally that
Very
size.
cat size.
Maybe bigger. Like, my cat just keeps eating and eating.
Yeah, same with mine.
It's like a porker. Looks very warm though.
Yeah, they've got a good setup here, these bunnies.
Yeah. Oh, it is a
Tired
baby
cow.
cow.
The calf.
Otherwise known as a calf, right? Oh, okay.
It says they're 1 week old.
This is a 1 week old calf?
Wow. That's what the sign says.
Wow. Piggies?
Pigs are fighting.
Pigs are chilling out.
I think they're fighting over the hay, even though there's like more all around them.
They're having a pig off. A pig standoff.
A pig off. Mom.
Piggy! Oink, oink.
And they smell like pigs too. You smell that?
Oh wow, they're 12 weeks old.
They smell like when the dog passes gas.
It's like that's Mason. That's Mason when we
I think
throw.
they're looking for like mud or something to snort.
Yeah.
Nose in.
Snort, roll around.
Oh. It's not hot. It's like 35 degrees out. It's really cold out.
We're not the family animal expert.
I'm what? Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I don't know a thing about. I don't know anything about animals or farms. I just come along and. All right, what are we looking at here? What are we looking at here?
Poult.
Poults.
They're 1 week old.
So a poult is a baby turkey. Look at that. Look at these little guys. It's like a mini gobble. Oh, there we go. Look at that.
Are you sure? You are so cute.
See that bump on his head?
Yeah.
That's his snood. You know how turkeys have that red?
Yeah. Oh, floppy
It
thing.
comes right out of that. Hang right down there.
It's crazy. I've seen this will be a huge grown turkey.
Oh my gosh, and it won't take long at all.
You are so cute. Oh, you should pet him. Adorable.
Oh wow.
They're big for
Gosling, which is a
These are goose
name
wings.
for a duck, right? Is that what it is? A duck or a swan? A goose. I know my farm animals.
You just said duck.
Look at these guys. Beautiful.
You just say it was a duck, Dad. You literally just say it was a duck.
Duck, swan, goose.
It looks like a swan. Maybe like quack quack.
They're like hunkering down.
They are very chirpy. They definitely. It's got a little puffball on it.
Oh my gosh.
Little puffball. I've got a good name for him. Little puffball. He's so cute.
Oh man, you're soft.
Yeah. Got a little puff on it. That want him?
No, I'm good.
He's like, no.
He's like, humans want to escape. I need to get back to eating my
How old
food.
is this one?
So cute.
They're only a week
A
old.
week old? That's it? It's crazy.
How long do they take to grow up?
Not sure. Not
Probably-
too long though. You're okay.
Alright, just
He's
gotta
like,
go
I'm
back
not
under the
getting. I
warm
can
lamp.
see everyone. Yeah, they love it.
Look at this thing. A little nice habitat down here.
I'm gonna go back to drinking my water before you stone me.
There are 2 puffballs in there. One just walked right over the food.
Just chewing on
Daddy, the goats are cuddling.
it. They're cuddling.
I wish I could just climb in there and just like.
The goats are cuddling.
I wish I could just climb in there and give them a big warm hug, Mom.
I mean, how cute is that?
And they're sleeping.
And then this guy's over here is like, I don't have anyone to cuddle with. Just by myself.
He's trying to hang out with the lambs.
Yeah, he thinks he's a lamb.
Thinks he's a lamb, maybe? Wow.
They were just playing so hard a little bit ago.
Yep.
And
All
now
their
it's time to
energy.
cuddle.
Now they're ready to play.
Yep. You gotta actually see his face now. He's just like, oh, I'm just gonna chill out.
He's like, I'm just gonna sleep and chill out right here.
Yeah, we're just doing a round here. Back to see the bunny.
Because it's so cute and
Little
soft.
floppy ears.
Well, Mom, it looks like. Mom, it looks like. You're so cute. So soft. Just has such a cute. Just has such a little cute face.
I know it does.
It's like no, get away.
This is the one that just woke up, so it's probably just agitated with
I want to
me.
eat.
I want to eat. I just woke up.
He's like, I need my food before I can go back to sleeping.
Back, Jeff. The pig's like, you woke up. The pig's like,
It's
you
amazing
woke
how
up.
big their eyes are. I mean, look at the size of his eyes. It's like, I see everything.
I can see.
At the same time, I see nothing.
Hi.
Hi there, buddy.
Except
Well, hello.
For snaggle teeth above it. Look at that. Snaggle.
You're so
He's just looking at him. Remember when
How's the hay over there? Is it good?
It's like got one shoved up his nose. Got one shoved up his nose. Got one in his nose.
Like, that's how I look when I wake up in the morning. It's like so. Like, well, what's going on?
Yeah, pig flesh. Yeah, with a little
Pig fight!
pig fight.
No, they're just. He's like, that's my spot. This is my hay.
fighting over who gets warmer.
It's like you kids fighting on the couch. Wow, they look really cool. Wow. Going to the next exhibit.
It's like petting Ray, right? Petting Leia.
It's like, oh,
Oh,
it's so cute how they just snuggle together, you know?
you guys are so cute. Mommy, they got little horns.
Yeah. Little niblets. Nibbles.
They're like, oh yeah, that's good. Mom, scratch on his back. This one is like Leia's.
This one's a little softer.
I'll keep you warm. But they're all like, but they're both like this color.
What did you eat? What's your secret?
Yeah.
Cider donut. Cider donut? Three moms and a baby cat, two babies. Now I just want to see it. You should come and cuddle with a mom so they're all warm.
Yeah, and they're all warm. Why aren't those ones in there?
Oh, we rotate. It turns into more people. I'm gonna turn around over here.
Really, sometimes.
More blue flag. It's a donkey? Oh. Someone pet me.
Is that
Look at these guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Happy Easter to you.
Chicken feed. Right. Yeah, it's a... Look at this, guys. Everyone gets all the food.
Okay, let's just not give him any more food. He's fat.
You should be like Bon Appetit.
They're just like chowing down. Ooh, I made that.
Put a chicken on there? You want a chicken on the
I
table?
think all you do is put it at their mouth.
Oh, look
I
at
bet
these
she
guys.
Do you think she wants food?
Hello.
Lunch?
There's a bunch of them over here, guys.
See what she does.
They're like chowing down on some carrots.
Oh, that's a wobbly table. Oh, that's a wobbly table. What are you doing? She doesn't know what to do.
The wobble. That one has like accents of green and purple.
Oh, yeah. Pop it down.
Want some?
She wanted to escape. Whenever
No?
you were opening
Not hungry?
Oh, she's scratching her face.
I don't think they eat out of the... Oh, they do. They do. Picked it right out.
Like that one. Ones that are all like.
The ones with the feathers on them?
That approach them slowly like layout.
What about that one?
Very
Because that one
slowly.
has feathers on
That
it.
one? Okay, so there's breeds like that.
You
one
can't
with
decide
golden
which one.
coconuts.
Take your
And
pick.
there's a
Oh,
black.
Huh? He's like, that's too hard.
Those
That's
there's
like,
other
it's too
people- All the ones with feathers on their feet are coaches.
Yep.
The
hello,
ones
buddy.
without feathers on their feet is a breed called a Buck Orpington.
Oh, but you can't tell the difference between that one. The two of the same that look exactly the same.
These are not babies. These are the mamas.
Her comb is darker. This one has a darker comb. Oh yeah, they're really crazy about the lettuce because it's like salad.
They like
And
salad.
they've been eating like the cornflakes and the fat corn all day. So they're like lettuce.
They're all huddling up together.
Yeah.
I'm like, what is that, a Skittle? Skittles? Taste the rainbow?
Oh, she's soft.
She's like round two.
Look.
Yeah, I love them. Like when I go home, I get kicked out of letting them free range.
Yummy, huh?
Oh,
You're like, no.
it's like, okay.
That one will have some.
That my neighbor likes to feed my chicken.
Yeah, let's try it.
It's like, oh yeah, that's yummy.
There's a lot of space in between.
No?
Oh, bother. I'm just here while all the babies get the attention.
He's like, what is that kid doing?
All I just do is sit here.
David, turn around.
Oh, bother. It's making a ruckus earlier, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was like, "Eh." This farm. All right, it's time to get some donuts. Donuts is the most important part of this whole trip.
Put on toast.
Should we get two?
I'm trying to get a good picture. It's jalapeno pepper jelly.
Okay, bud.
What'd you get?
We're not coming back anyway,
Strawberry
right?
rhubarb.
Mom, we're not coming back anyway. Is this just for
Strawberry
if we're
rhubarb
coming back?
spread.
We're doing this. I know it's a dozen.
Oh, we gotta buy more things and support the farm. Get a dozen.
Support the farm.
Dozen donuts. Dozen donuts. Dozen donuts. These look amazing. Candied jalapenos. And the first ingredient is sugar.
They don't look big.
Look at this thing.
They don't look big.
Candy, jalapeno.
Yes, this looks like something I would eat, right?
And can we also have two pieces of baklava, please?
Baklava. Look at this.
Oh, me and Mommy can share one. And you and
All
Dad
the
can share
things.
We're getting all the things in the farm store.
Dad, Me and you can share one, and Ellie and Mommy can share one.
Yeah, that's right.
Baklava!
Baklava.
Disappear to Baklava world.
It's crazy. Look at all this stuff. Look at all these goodies. Got donuts, jalapenos. What is this? Strawberry rhubarb, cheddar, donuts, baklava.
All the things.
It's like, you know that saying, like, don't go to the
Oh, wow,
store when
there,
you're hungry.
give some to Daddy.
Don't go to the store when you're hungry. Don't go to the farm store when you're hungry.
Dad, pause on his
Hand sanitizer all over the.
Oh, he just drenched it.
Thank you. All right, and one more thing. I'm just gonna get.
And one more
I'm gonna keep grabbing stuff off the shelf here.
At your disposal.
More olives. Yes, and it's got garlic in them. Make my breath smell really good.
Dad,
Nice and fresh.
Dad, are olives spicy?
No. You want to try one?
I think I'll try one.
You might like it.
I'll try one.
Yeah.
So you know how there are olives in a salad?
Yeah.
At first, when I was little, I thought they were candy. But
They
then
are.
I tried one, and I was like,
It's very salty. I like salty stuff. I have no idea what you just said. All right, look, we got all our stuff.
I'm not kidding.
We had a lot of fun.
I'm the most important bag.
You got the donuts.
I got the baklava.
I got all kinds of goodies.
Jam. You got
Jalapenos and olives and all kinds of good stuff. Support your local farms. They need you, especially during this whole time.
Ellie, this isn't heavy.
All right, kids, let's go back and eat some random food that we just got.
Make sure.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Thanks for watching this video.
Whatever this video will be called.
I have no idea. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, comment,
Join our
do all that fun stuff.
and react your reality with us.
Relax your reality with us. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye now.